Blender is one of the best 3D packages for motion graphics work, and today we're going to talk about 11 add-ons that you can use to create amazing motion graphics using Blender. Number 11, Audvis. Audvis is a Blender add-on that can be used to build interesting audio visualizations of music or any other sound. Its main features are real-time analyzer and a sequence analyzer. The real-time analyzer can be used to make animations reacting to music or any other sound going over the sound card or from the microphone. And the sequence analyzer feature is mainly focused on making music videos by synchronizing the audio and the visuals together so you can have a visual representation of the audio you hear. This add-on is available on the Blender market for $10. Number 10, Text Effects. Text Effects allows you to build complex font animations without math or keyframes. Actually, this add-on is both simple in its concept and in its use. All you need is to apply the effect you see appropriate for the situation to the text, which can be combined with a variety of styles and settings to get the animation done. There are different types of animations you can apply, like converting selected text or paragraphs, sometimes with multiple lines, to an animation, in addition to transformations such as rotation, scaling, and random transformations like wiggle effects. You can download this add-on on the Blender market for $26. Number 9, Circular Array. Blender is able to create radial or circular arrays with an array modifier and some helper objects and drivers. But this add-on will set up everything for you in one click and manage all the dependencies of the hierarchy behind the scene. It also adds some functionality, but that's not the aim. The ultimate function of this add-on is to be a time saver. So if you want to create some arrays and animate them, this add-on will help you do that. It is available on the Blender market for $6, and you can also download it from GitHub for free as well. Number 8, Bchart. Bchart is an add-on that can be used to show your data in a simple animated chart. To start using this add-on, you can import a CSV data into Blender and create or remove charts. Data can change over time, so you can refresh it at any moment directly from the add-on interface without losing any settings. This add-on gives you a lot of control because you can tweak more than 30 parameters to create the best looking chart that suits your needs. And the good thing is, the animation is easily controlled using those parameters. You can find this add-on on the Blender market for $25. Number 7, Assemblme. Assemblme is an add-on from Blender that makes layer by layer animation efficient and non-destructive. Blender offers excellent physics and particle simulation tools, but when you've got a final resting place for the objects, it is usually done by keyframing each object individually. Assemblme provides an intuitive and efficient workflow for creating and adjusting assembly and disassembly animations in a short period of time. Motion graphics and logo design with multiple objects in Blender is also possible with this add-on. Simply add all the objects to a group, adjust the parameters, and create the animation for an assembly motion graphics in a short period of time. But the animation is currently limited to straight lines from the starting position to the final resting position. You can find this add-on on the Blender market for $15. Number 6, Gravity Rope. Gravity Rope is a simulation tool made for Blender artists and motion designers. It is a user-friendly add-on that allows you to create ropes and to simulate different materials easily. This add-on comes with several modes, several material presets, and a lot of creative possibilities. It introduces a new and complete workflow that allows you to carry out several advanced rope animations that can be nicely integrated with a motion design project that needs these types of effects. It supports the collision of ropes and pendulums. It also reacts to wind, and it is even breakable, which is a nice feature. You can find this add-on on the Blender market for $26 if you are going to use it for freelance or personal work. And there is also a professional version for studios at $65. Number 5, Bchart. This is a powerful parametric tool for Blender motion graphics users. It allows geometry to be programmed visually with nodes. Mesh and geometry programming consists of combining basic elements such as curves, surfaces, and solids. If you are familiar with Houdini, Rhinoceros 3D, Dynamo, or other modular systems, you will feel at home with this add-on. Bchart add-on is good for generating and visualizing geometry. It is at its core parametric, and almost everything can be driven by a slider. In addition to that, it allows for rapid prototyping of algorithms through nodes or scripted nodes. This add-on is free, and you can download it on GitHub. Number 4, Particles Link. Particles Link is a tool that allows you to create awesome particles effects. This add-on makes it easy to connect a bunch of particles, and it can also be used as a curve generator and particle tracer. There are unlimited things that can be done using this tool, especially in motion graphics, and your imagination is the limit. Particles Link operates using 2 graph nodes, which can be a network of multiple line connections. The good thing about this add-on is its ability to connect particles live and give feedback as you work on something. Also, it is possible to use multiple particle system. You can find the Particles Link add-on on the Blender market for $26. Number 3, Commotion. Commotion is a Blender add-on specifically created for motion graphics. It can be used to create offset animations for multiple objects using different sorting methods. It works both with F-curves and NLA stripes, and you can even copy and link animations between objects. To have more control over the motion, proximity effectors let you change the object properties by distance to other objects, in addition to the ability of easily managing properties of absolute shape keys. By the way, you can download the Commotion add-on for free on GitHub. Number 2, Animax. Animax is a procedural animation system for Blender, useful for animating multiple objects. It allows you to create complex animations that are hard to achieve using Blender's built-in animation tools. There are tools for splitting and shattering a mesh object into pieces and converting the procedural animation to keys. The animation is procedural, but it is possible to keyframe a lot of parameters for more complex animations. Using this add-on, you can create some interesting animation effects, like making objects dissolve, explode, or transition from an object to another, which I think is great for a certain type of animation work. Probably the first application for Animax that comes to mind is motion graphics. If you are a motion graphics artist, then Animax will help you to a certain extent because it is a nice addition since it can do these types of effects fast. The workflow is straightforward. Just choose an effect or make your own, play with the parameters and the timing, and you will have the animation ready. You can download this add-on on the Blender market for $25. Number 1, Animation Nodes. The Animation Nodes add-on is hands down the best add-on for motion graphics using Blender. It is a node-based visual scripting system designed for motion graphics. The main goal behind it is that its users have a very customizable and an extendable node framework. You can use it as a powerful driver alternative, text manipulator, animation replicator, and much more. Compared to the other add-ons on this list, probably Animation Nodes is the most complicated because it is the most advanced and allows you to create professional motion graphics using Blender. Probably the easiest way to get a grasp of it is to look for examples and replicate them. This will make it easier to follow tutorials and makes everything less overwhelming. Actually, the developers created a website in which you can find a detailed manual that includes all the necessary details about what this add-on can do and what is being used for, which is a great starting point if you don't have experience. And the best thing is, you can download this fantastic add-on for free. You can find it on GitHub. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.